Is an underground water leak costing you money? You know, the one that has caused your water bill to double? The problem is, to repair underground leaks requires existing infrastructure to be damaged or destroyed. What if I told you there was an easier way to fix broken underground pipes and cables, and still leave the overlying road, footpath, concrete slab or driveway intact? Underbore Darwin has an innovative horizontal boring system that provides a non-invasive solution. Basically, we bore under everything. This creates a perfect replacement scenario to get your damaged pipe repaired fast. Underbore has been repairing water mains and drains in the NT for years. Now you get the benefits of that experience. Our residential and business horizontal boring follows an existing path. This enables damaged pipes and cables to be repaired or replaced quickly. Best of all, we offer a 100% free inspection to make sure our solution works for you. Leave your driveway and roads alone. Go directly under. Visit underbore.com.au now.